Your website is not broken, your system is. And watch this video till the end because I have a special bonus for you. Most beginners think if I build a website, I'll start making money online. But in 2026, that's not enough anymore. A website alone does not make money because if people visit your website and leave, nothing happens. That's why smart businesses use systems behind the website. You need funnels, lead capture pages, email follow-up, CRM, automations, live chat, communities, affiliate systems, and many more like content system. That's how businesses make money today, not just from traffic, but from systems that turn visitors into customers. Think about this. Someone visits your website. What happens next? Do you collect their emails? Do you follow up automatically? Do you send offers later? Okay. Do you guide them to a step-by-step guide? Most people don't. That's why they struggle online. In 2026, successful creators and businesses are using all-in-one systems because people are tired of paying for one tool for funnels, another for emails, another for CRM, another for automation, communities, live streaming, etc. It becomes expensive and confusing. Now everything is moving into one dashboard, guys. One place to manage your businesses. And honestly, that changes everything. Because the real money is not in the website. The real money is in the backend system behind it. Another big mistake beginners make, they focus only on getting traffic. More followers, more views, more clicks. But traffic without a system is useless. If visitors don't become leads and leads don't become customers, you are losing money every single day. You don't need millions of followers, guys. You just need a system that converts people into customers. That's the real game in 2026. So remember this, your website is not the business. Your system is the business. Now, here is a special bonus for you. Today, you can build your personal brand website for absolutely free. Just pay for domain and hosting. That's it. And get access to all the features. People, they normally pay for across 10 plus different tools, like spending thousands of dollars on that. But for a just domain and hosting price, you're going to get funnels, CRM, email marketing, automations, affiliate center, communities, live chat, live streaming, lead management, and many more. All from one dashboard with 100% access, 100% control. You will be having a dashboard. You're going to control your website. You can make any changes you need. You can create unlimited pages, unlimited funnels. It's upon you and fully owned by you. Cool? Guys, if you want help building your own business system, check out the link in the description down below. Contact me via WhatsApp. I'm here to help you out to get started building your personal brand. And guys, you might be into any online business or offline business. Personal brand is very important for you to get started to make some good business online. So I'll catch you on the other side. Have a great day. Bye-bye.